I think there's always risk as we start to lessen the restrictions. The government committed that they would lessen restrictions if certain conditions were met, including the rollout of vaccination, the reduction of cases, and also the impact on our NHS services. I think there's always a risk when it comes to holidays that people will want will have the desire to gather, and the guidelines do allow them to do that following the rule of six. So you can meet in a group of six or two households. But again, it's just reminding residents to follow the rules whilst you're doing that. So it must be outside. You can't meet inside people's homes, and to try and maintain that hand-face space messaging as well is really important.
And do we know how far people can travel at this stage?
So there's no definition of what stay local means. And if you look at the roadmap in a bit more detail, there is no reference to stay local there. I think the key message here is to be sensible and be pragmatic in planning any journeys. The key to the guidance is very much around reducing as much travel as you possibly can. But if you are having to travel, avoid busier times if you're using public transport. And again, just make sure that you're traveling with the view that you're trying to protect yourselves and people you may come into contact with as well.